Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So on today's video we're gonna be making a delicious, simple enough recipe of stuffed bell peppers. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video. I do hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button guys and the like button if you enjoy the rest of this video. Now starting off, we're just gonna be carving out the bell peppers. So right here I'm just showing you how I do it. So I cut off the top and then I go cut out the membranes, like the inside, the white parts, and then I try to get like as close to the green parts as possible, but without like piercing the actual green pepper. As you can see there, like it's clean, everything is out. Now listen, sometimes you can cut it and there's still a little bit more of the white. Just go in with your knife slowly and carve through it and you'll be fine. So right there, those are the other ones that I did off screen, and then I'm just spraying them with some oil spray, cooking spray, or you can use any other oil that you have, and then just put it around it. So the first time that we're putting it in the oven, a preheated oven, so that's the first thing you should do. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then you go place them in there so that they soften. Now while that's happening, we're gonna be cooking our minced beef. We started off with sauteing some onions, and then we're gonna add in the garlic after the onions have started browning. Remember, the garlic burns very easily, so putting it towards like the end of the onions cooking is the best. Also controlling your heat. I always keep my heat at somewhere between like a medium. And then here we're adding in the minced beef. And then I'm just spreading it to make sure that everything cooks completely. So I'm just moving it about, and then I'll start it off slow, like and low, and then I slowly increase the heat, right? So here I'm cooking it slowly, and then I'm gonna add in, while it's not cooked yet, so that it cooks with the beef, I'm adding in some beef stock. Then after that, I'm gonna be adding in my spices. As a reminder again, ingredients with the amounts that you're gonna use is in the description box below. So here I just write the ingredients, but I don't tell you, like their measurements. It will be down in the description box. So then here I'm just making sure that I'm mixing everything thoroughly. Then I increase the heat after that point, just so that I can cook out the liquid that was in there, the excess liquid that was in there. And don't worry about the oils. They're gonna come off as you cook the stuffed bell peppers inside the oven. Okay, and then here I'm just adding in some tomato sauce. Now, reason why I use particular like tomato sauce like all gold is because if you look at the ingredients list, it's basically water, tomato paste, some sugar, and I think one more other thing. So I didn't have tomato paste, and this is what I had, and you can use them like interchangeably. I use this one specifically because I know it has tomato paste in it. I don't know about the other brands. So afterwards, I removed it from the heat, mixing it completely. And then this is the rice that is cooked. The recipe for the rice will be in the iCards and in the description box if you want to see how that is made. And then I'm just mixing everything through, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is mixed completely. And also I used less rice than the beef because I wanted to have more beef in there than the rice basically, but there was enough, the ratio was good enough. Okay, and then I'm just adding in a little bit of the cheese before I stuff it. I just wanted to have the cheese in it anywhere where I'm biting. I want there to be at least some reminiscence of some cheese. Mind you, I'm also lactose intolerant, so I too do not know why I did that. But and then afterwards, so this is the bell peppers after they have been cooked just a little bit in the oven. As you can see, in some of them there's some liquid which I ended up removing after putting it into the first and second one. I ended up removing the liquid from the other three. It won't disrupt the cooking. I mean, it's just adding more flavor. It is like the liquid from the bell peppers themselves, but I did remove the excess from the other one because the other ones had a lot more than the other two that I already placed in. So then I just continued stuffing the bell peppers. And then I'm not putting in too much at this point because I also want to layer some cheese in between. And then because the top you can't add too much of it because it'll spill out on the sides, so I'm making sure that in the middle there's in more than enough cheese. Then I'm just topping it up, making sure that it gets to like the top, and then I press it down a little bit more just to make sure like it's completely filled. And then I'm just topping it off with the cheese. And guys, if there's any recipes that you want me to like show you like how to do it, you can leave it in the description box, sorry, in the comment section, and I'll actually do the recipes. So so then after I have topped it off with some cheese, I'm just gonna put the little heads on top of the bell peppers. Now, if you do not have those, you can use foil because that's what it is mostly used. But I wanted to use this instead, and so that like it browns at the same time, like, and it's also cooking and it's cooking in itself, and the flavors are going into it even more. So I place it in the oven, the same preheated oven, for around about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven and its heat. And then afterwards, this is me just showing you what I do with it. So for me, I just added in some sour cream, but you can edit any other type of sauce that you have or you could have made. Topped it up with some parsley for it to look good, presentation and everything. And that's it, guys. That's the whole recipe. I do hope that you guys will try it out and enjoy it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like and comment down below more recipes you want to see. And until next time, guys, bye.